Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. I'm Ryan, and today we've got something super exciting for you. How to think in English, not just speak it. Because once you start thinking in English, your fluency will skyrocket.
Exactly. Hi, everyone. I'm Mia, and this episode is going to feel like a little brain workout. But don't worry, it's fun. We'll laugh, we'll practice, and by the end, you might even catch yourself saying, wait, was I just thinking in English?
That's the goal. So grab a cup of tea, coffee or water, whatever makes your brain happy, and let's dive in.
Ryan, let's start with the big question. Why should someone even care about thinking in English? Isn't speaking enough?
Great question. You know, when you only translate in your head from your native language to English, it's like running a marathon in slow motion. Your brain has to work double time.
Exactly. And then, by the time you finish the sentence in your head, the conversation has already moved on.
Thinking in English makes everything smoother. Speaking, listening, even writing. Imagine, you don't stop to translate, you just flow. Like when you say, I'm hungry, without thinking about it in your first language first.
Yes, and it's not magic. It's a habit anyone can build with the right techniques. And today, we'll share those step by step.
All right, let's do a quick warm-up. Close your eyes, unless you're driving, and imagine your morning routine. Now, describe it in English, in your mind.
I'll go first. I wake up, I stretch, I brush my teeth, I make coffee.
Nice. Listeners, your turn. Go ahead. Even simple sentences are perfect.
See? That's the start of thinking in English, describing what you're already doing.
Exactly. And here's a fun tip. Narrate your life quietly in English. Not out loud if you're shy, just in your head. For example, I'm walking to the bus. The weather is warm. I'm wearing a blue jacket. Simply but powerful.
You might look like a movie narrator in your mind, but hey, it works.
So Mia, what's technique number 1?
Number 1, label your world. Put sticky notes on your fridge, your door, your desk. Write the English word on them. Soon, your brain will start seeing objects in English, not your first language.
I actually had a friend who labeled his cat, Cat. The cat wasn't happy, but he learned.
Poor cat. But it works. Technique 2. Use English for your inner voice. That little voice that says, I'm hungry. Try switching it to English.
And number 3, practice with no pressure. Don't try to be perfect. It's okay to think in broken English. I go store now. It's fine. Your brain will fix the grammar later.
Exactly. Thinking is about speed and habit, not perfection. Perfection comes later.
Okay, listeners, time to train together. Mia, let's give them a guided exercise.
All right. Everyone imagine you're in a supermarket. Ready? Close your eyes if you can.
You pick up a basket. Now think in English. I walk to the fruit section. I see bananas. I want to buy 3.
Now add emotion. These bananas look too green. Maybe I should wait.
Perfect. Let's do another. You're at the bus stop. It's raining. My shoes are wet. The bus is late. Keep going. Build the story.
See? You're creating your own English movie in your head. That's thinking in English.
Let's quickly go over mistakes. Number 1, translating everything. Stop that. It slows you down.
Number 2, being afraid of mistakes in your mind. It's your mind. No one can hear your grammar errors.
Unless you're a mind reader, which I'm not. Are you, Mia?
Nope. Third mistake, thinking you need big, fancy words. Simple is best.
We got a message from Hannah in Brazil. She asks, what if I don't know the word in English? Should I stop thinking?
No. Great question. Just use what you know or describe it. If you don't know umbrella, think thing for rain. That's enough.
Exactly. Your brain will fill the gaps over time.